So here we have a white MacBook from 2006. Look at all these ports. Imagine having wired Ethernet on modern MacBooks. So looks a bit dirty, but pretty good. DVD drive. Yeah, not too bad overall, especially considering its age. Well, let's open it up and see if it turns on. And pressing the power button. No result. Well, what if we plug it in? Oh, there we go. Oh, alright, looks like OS is corrupt or something. Let's get it fixed up. And here we are, all cleaned up, system is freshly reinstalled, and battery issues fixed. Just needed a bit of cleaning on the battery contacts. Alrighty, let's experience this classic boot up sequence. Gotta love that sound. Okie dokie, let's see, there we go. All fixed and good to go.